how scanners work. A scanner is like a tool that helps your program read and understand information typed by a person or stored in a file. Do you understand? No? I don't care. Listen to it again. So let's go and make a scanner real quick. First, we import the scanner class to our file. Then we create a scanner object that scans the user input. Let's say we want our user to input his age. That's how we do it. Now let's do this to make our program more understandable. Now let's make it print our age. That's it for today. Now subscribe and get your ass out of here.